All across the world, forests are shrinking, rainforests are disappearing, and we face climate change. Nevertheless, thousands of tons of branches and offcuts are burned instead of being upcycled into items of high value. Let me give you 3 examples. Mariano makes olive oil in Toledo in the middle of Spain. He has to prune his trees every year. The branches are either used as firewood or directly burned in the groves. Tony, he runs a home oak plantation in Extremadura. The acorns play a very important role for the traditional pig fattening for the Iberian ham. By pruning his trees, he increases the amount of acorns, but the branches are also just used as firewood. In Madrid, 400 ancient trees from its famous and biggest park, Casa del Campo, were blown down by an enormous storm. Because of the damages and the high age of the trees, the city thought the only use for them was, again, firewood. But there is another way for all of these wood leftovers, the Sintala way. I am Claudia of Sintala Design, where we turn broken, fallen trees, branches, and what is normally seen as wood waste into solid, high-quality furniture, claddings made out of pine, flooring, and other wood products. We've been to this since 2014, learning how to prepare, treat, and manipulate all the different kinds of wood. The Sintala way creates a win-win situation. We get unique types of wood, which are normally not available on market. Our suppliers, like Mariano and Tony, receive a higher income by selling their wood leftovers to us, and our customers are provided with amazing ecological products. The city of Madrid sent all the 400 fallen trees to our company to produce benches, trash cans, and other outdoor furniture to be used in the same park where the trees came from. Through us, these old trees get to provide value to the public, and we get to communicate the Sintala way to the whole city. That's what's called circular economy. Sintala Design is a team of visionary designers, business managers, engineers, and also masters of woodwork, situated in Segovia, in the heart of Spain.
Hola. I am Rodrigo Aranda, CEO and co-founder of Sintala Design. My father, José Luis, my brother, Aitor, and I are the creators and founders of the Sintala Way. Only in the year 2017, we saved 600 tons of wood and obtained 120,000 euros in revenues. For the year 2018, we are expecting a double of those values. We are ready to keep up, but not only in Spain, also around the world. To do that, we need 500,000 euros to invest in more and better equipment, to increase the popularity of the Sintala brand, and develop a program to license the Sintala way in other countries. For a change, it needs people, and I am looking at you. So, come, join us and contact us after the presentation. Gracias.